Hello everybody, welcome to Body Friends Tech. Today we want to show how you can make money online by doing some tasks as a surveyor. Okay, and first of all I would like to introduce you to a platform called ysense. ysense want to help you to make money by doing small digital tasks, product testing and survey. The platform is proposing the product use of online time for small earning that may add up to huge cash out. But are you skeptical like me on the legitimacy of ysense? Is this a legit survey money platform or another waste of time? In this review, I look at what ysense is offering each user and if it is something you should try out, at least for the benefit of doubt. Okay, then click ysense, type ysense, go to your Google Chrome, type ysense, then click on it and go to sign up and register. It's for free. Or if you can see my down link to this video, then you see where you click and register as well. As a referrer, you earn for registering and I also earn for registering you. So in that case, we continue. So this is my profile. So because I have registered before, as you can see, this is my earning. I have withdrawn before, but for now this is my earning. Then we continue. You can see survey. Then this is you click on complete survey. You see the survey that I've done, the history. This is the history. They will show you the history of my survey. The one that I could not meet up, which they screened me out. The one that I've started but time elapses, they screened me out. And some other one that I did not click or just clicked and could not complete. The only thing is that they keep on giving you a survey every day, but for some reasons you may not be around or you may be busy doing one or two things offline, then they will screen you out. So before you could come back, the survey time has elapsed. So that's why you see some of all this screened out and started but could not complete or clicked. All right, let me go back. Then coming to the page survey, this is the survey. Here they will show you, see here they will show you the survey you take. Then they will line up your survey here and show you the time they have given you the survey. Then this is a daily, some of the daily routine. This one gives you $0.02 for every 10 questions. So this is just the daily routine that this you take every day. When you come into the site, you will see this thing just once in a day. They will give you this. Is two. This is one. This is the second one. Daily pool. Daily pool is just like daily routine question. Just one question. They will answer. It give you a small amount to add up to your earning. So they give you this once in a day. So this is where you see your complete survey and earn cash. Under it, you see your survey line up. If they have given you survey, you keep on checking to this site so that you know whether they've given you survey to complete or not, so that you can make your earning. Okay, that's go back again. This is cash offer. This is cash offer. You click on it, they will show you how this one works. Referral. This is referral. When you refer someone, they pay you for the referral. After that person makes some substantial amounts, they will pay you. Add on the same help. This is where you can get help by asking some question you may ask. You can get it here. So in other words, I want to show you for some questions some people ask and some skeptical feeling some people feel about this platform called ysense. Ysense is good because I have using it for years and they are paying me, as they are still paying me. So why should I leave them? Some other sites you get, after making some money, they will not release your money. Action performed. Yes, that's how you earn money. The referral commission. User can earn up to 30% of whatever their referral make on the ysense platform. If you invite someone to join the ysense platform and that person makes $100, you could get as much as $30 from that earning. Cool, right? Yes, cool. Some people ask question, what does it cost for joining ysense? Fortunately, user don't pay a dime. ysense is completely free to join. Yeah. Then some people now ask question, how does ysense make their money? How do they earn their money? ysense have a multiple affiliate earning, and ysense get cut off whatever fee or earning is paid. What earning is paid for each task on survey. So if a particular task or survey pay 0.5%, the original fee could have been $1, of which ysense take 0.5. Understood? Yeah, that's how it was. And also ysense make money via several affiliate marketing program disguised as a link on the platform. Here are some of them. Payment, go to cash out. Go to cash out. You can see PayPal. You can see Amazon. You can see Square. You can see Payoneer. You can see Reward and Zalando. Those payment platforms, they have a affiliate link, which when you click each one of them, ysense make money from that click. Some people ask question, how much can you make in ysense? Why is alright? You can't make a huge money in ysense, but later before you know it, your earning will then be add up to a huge amount. Though it depends, but definitely not easy to work. It really depends on how hard you are willing to work on ysense platform. ysense do not only reward user for committing to complete tasks, they also reward user for daily completion of a checklist. Yes. You can see the earning. Some of them have a minimal threshold of Amazon is $5, PayPal is $10, Square is $5, Pioneer is $25, Steam is $10, Zalando is $11, Reward Link is $12. So each of them have a different threshold, which when you reach to the threshold, you can withdraw your money through them. Then another question so many people ask is the initial answer I've given to you. Some people ask question whether ysense is legit or scam. ysense look legit to me, at least on the surface. They aren't asking user to pay any sign-up fee, so that is out of the way. Withdrawing earning also seem to be free of charge. So the only issue whether the platform would be worth your time, considering that you could use that time to do other things that could earn you substantially more money. That's the only thing I can tell you about earning ysense. But truly I've used it and it's working perfectly. I don't have any doubt of ysense paying you whenever you complete your task. Anytime you complete your task, your money will be paid immediately. Then when you reach to threshold, they will just withdraw. You just withdraw your money through your preferential payment gateway. So I believe ysense is one of the best software platform I've come across, and I'm using them. I'm still using them, and they are paying me perfectly. I don't have any doubt in them. So once again, thank you for joining us, and don't forget to press your hand at that red button to join us, subscribe, and listen to us always. And I believe you enjoyed our video, and believe we can give you more like this beef. We believe we can give you more